Hey, I'm Lucas and today I will show you how to use SEO keyword generator. Cool, let's jump directly to Notion. Here on the first page you can see the standard SEO research. You can start with topic, you can set your main keyword, and based on your research you can set search volume, global search volume, keyword difficulty, and things like cost per click or keyword intent. Also, the traffic potential. Now, let's go to the second page, additional keywords. This is the page where the magic happens, as this part can be fully automated. Of course, it will not be a level of professional SEO research, but it will save you a lot of time. Before continuing, let's go to make.com to double check that our automation is enabled and set to run immediately as data arrives. Let's go back to Notion, add a new topic. For example, Notion calendar setup. Brand asset, let's keep as it is, and set main keyword to Notion calendar. What's important right now, the status is set to new, but only keywords set to waiting to generate will catch the automation. Let's set it correctly, and now when we have the status waiting to generate, let's click generate. After a few seconds you will see that the status changed to generation in progress, which means the automation is running. After a while, as you can see, the status goes to SEO generated, which means our automation is done, and right now we can see all the fields. We can see search suggestions, matching terms, related terms, even the meta description, as well as the SEO optimized permalink. Also, if you configure the perplexity research, you can go to the keyword page where you can find a deep research with all the citations you can use directly in your blog post or page. Before we can finish, there is one more thing you need to configure, which is the brand asset. The brand asset is the setting that will define the voice of all the generations. Like in my case, I have my own style and tone, excluded words, the default prompt that will define the context of my generation, and some final prompts. All you need to do is to create a new page, set all the configuration, and at the end you need to change the default template to use the brand you just created. And that's all. Thank you.